Talk about a snack on the go. This is a snack on the run. So cheesy and stupid. Today's story. A truckload shipment containing 12 tons of KitKat bars was stolen in Europe. Break me off a piece of that payload, am I right? For legal reasons, that was a joke. Nestle says the truck and its sweet cargo disappeared somewhere between Italy and its destination of Poland, which means it's possible that some little town in Germany or Austria is going full Augustus Gloop and getting absolutely chocolate wasted. Das ist gut.
I love your chocolate.
And before we go any further, I do have to say, we did not start this series intending to cover cargo theft every week. That was not the vision. But as long as thieves keep generating news stories that cause people to tweet things like Al Pacino as Scarface up to his bloody lapels in KitKats, or Oompa Loompas posing with the trailer they have pillaged with their own tiny orange hands, we're going to keep reporting on it. It's what the people want. Now, I have to talk about the sheer volume of KitKats involved in this story. 12 tons is a lot of KitKats. According to Nestle, the stolen truck contained exactly 413,793 KitKat candy bars. What are you going to do with the better part of 500,000 KitKats? Be everyone's third favorite house to visit on Halloween for the rest of your life? Here are my top 5 candies in order. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, Hershey's Cookie and Cream Bar, Snickers Bar, Gummy Nerds Clusters. Rounding out my top 5 is a Heath Bar. I know it's an old person candy. I don't care. These weren't just any KitKats that were stolen. These were limited edition Formula One branded KitKats molded in the shape of tiny race cars. I mean, you have to admit, it sounds like something the Looney Tunes would have dreamt up. If they ever find these thieves, I half expect them to be wearing striped shirts, black beanies, and little masks, holding KitKats the way Tony Soprano does a lit cigar. Yeah, boss, we got the goods. Real chocolatey, just like you asked. Because nobody steals 12 tons of anything by accident. You don't just wake up and decide to commit grand theft confectionery.
What do you mean by that?
The first to feel the impact of cargo theft is always drivers. Truck drivers, to be clear, not F1 drivers. Those rich athletes don't need our pity. When a load is stolen from a truck stop or warehouse, it's the truck drivers transporting that shipment that have to deal with the stress, answer to their carrier or customer, and suffer the professional and reputational fallout from an incident that, more often than not, wasn't their fault. So yes, obviously, the great KitKat Heist of 2026 is hilarious. It has brought the internet together in ways both comedic and delicious. But if you feel like cargo theft is constantly in the news now, you're right. Cargo theft is on the rise, and drivers have to be more vigilant than ever to keep themselves and the goods they're hauling safe. So, next time you stop off for a snack break, remember, be aware of where you're parked, don't sit loaded longer than you have to, and only communicate through verified, secure channels. Because these thieves didn't just get lucky when they stole a trailer full of candy. They knew exactly what was in that trailer, where it was headed, and how to divert it from its destination. And finally, a quick pro tip. If someone offers you a $10 case of KitKats that they just found in the back of their box truck, there's only one way to respond. Give me a break.